This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Honda City to ACC or on so the infotainment is live. This lets the system broadcast. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable so the head unit can find it. Now press the Phone or Settings button on the car's display and choose Add Device or Pair New Phone. You do this because the car needs an explicit pairing request to exchange ID and security codes before any audio or phone features will work. After the car lists available devices, tap your phone name on the screen. You must be careful to pick the correct device to avoid confusion. Then compare the PIN displayed on both phone and infotainment. If they match, accept or confirm on both to complete the secure handshake. Make sure to allow permissions for contacts and media when prompted so calls and music work properly. Otherwise, you'll only get audio without caller ID or phonebook access, which limits convenience. Once paired, set the phone as primary if you want automatic reconnection. This saves you from pairing repeatedly. Test by making a short call and playing a music track while selecting Bluetooth as the audio source, and then adjust volume on both phone and car. If something goes wrong, the quickest fix is to restart the phone and the car's infotainment system, remove old pairings on both devices, and retry the pairing sequence. That clears temporary errors and mismatched caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.